Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video, we are going to start a new series which is only meant for Salesforce Financial Service Cloud. So in this series, we are going to teach you Salesforce Financial Service Cloud from basic to intermediate to advanced. So please stay tuned with this series and let's get started and see the key features of the FSC. Okay. So first key features of FSC is financial account. So don't get confused with the account we used to have in the Salesforce. Financial account is like you have a saving account. So your one financial account will be created and all the transaction related to your financial account will be displayed on the single page view. So let's say you have an account. One account can have multiple number of financial account. Okay, in financial account, what will come? Your saving account, your credit card account, your current account, and if you're taking any loans, then your loan account will come, and all the details you can see it here. What is the type of your account? What are the balance you have? What is the cash balance? So you see, type is brokerage. So this is the example of a loan account. What are the transaction I have given? I can see in the FSC. And for this, you don't have to build like a data table to see this. You can just include a tab of financial account in your account object and you can see all the detail of this. So this is the basics features of FSC, which is the financial account. Now every person will have some life events and every business has some milestone. What are the life events? So let's say the person got graduated. Okay, it's the life event in the FSC. So once he become the graduated, he will look for the jobs. So when he get the jobs, he will this milestone will be activated. Like manually, we have to activate it on clicking here. Then after that, he got married. So his marriage event will be activated, and he got relocated. He buy the car and home. This kind of life event can be captured in the FSC. But what is the use of this? So let's say if this person got married, he will have one more person with him, right? His wife. So bank will see he got married recently. Bank reach out to a particular customer that hey, you got the married recently. Do you want to create her account in the same bank as well, or do you want to create your joint account in the same bank? So this is how a bank can grow their business by using these financial life events. Okay, let's say he got a baby. Then do you want to buy the insurance? Okay, he got the job. Do you want to create a salary account in the bank? So this is how bank track the events and they can grow their business. Now let's come to the business milestone. Every business will have milestone, like they got merged with another company or they have created a new location, their executive got changed, they just listed their market, like they have listed in the share market, even though they got bankrupt or they launched new product, new API added, new capital added. So what is the use of this? So let's say they got merged with the other company. Okay, their company will have some accounts, executive working their salary accounts. So bank will reach out. Do you want to create account in our company? Let's say he changed the location. He might need the money, right, to create a new office. So bank will reach out. Do you want a loan for this milestone? And this milestone also capture the goals of particular company and the particular person. So this is all about the milestone and life events. You whatever you see in the gray here, it's a deactivated, it's not happened yet. Whatever you see in the blue, this life event has been created, and this because of that it is showing a blue here. Next feature comes the action plan. So we discussed earlier, let's say you are applying for the loan. So like loan, we have one process. First, you will fill up the form. Second, they will take your documentation. Third, they will check the CIBIL score. Fourth, they will check your eligibility. Then they will give you, based on your eligibility, they will give you the particular interest. Then the disbursement. So see, this is the step-by-step process. But a person to person or a individual to individual, this process can be changed. Okay, so credit card application, process can be different for one person. For different person, credit card process can be different based on the eligibility. Okay, so in FSC, you can create an action plan template. So let's say we created for credit card application. So first of all, we will give, whenever a credit card application comes, we need to complete this task. Okay, the set of instruction we need to complete it. So what will happen? This action plan template will be connected to a action plan, and then action plan will be connected to a person account. So what will happen whenever you use this action plan, a set of tasks will be created, and those tasks, let's say this task is be created, it will assign to a particular sales rep. So he is responsible to complete this task in a one day. Then the credit check will done by the another person. He is responsible to complete task in the 3 days. So this is how you can create a template and assign to a particular person, and all the tasks will be created. So everyone knows what will be the next step and how many days will be required. So whenever a customer asks when my application process will be completed, you can easily tell them that it will take at least 7 days or 10 days. And if you want to know the process, you can see if it is completed, you will see the complete status, and you can say right now you are in this stage and it will completed by end of the this stage. Okay, so this is the use of action plan and action plan template. Now we will see the next feature is the goals. So everyone has a goal in their life. Like if you are a student or you want to pursue a higher education, you will have some goal to save money. If you want to buy a house, you will have some goal. If you are planning to invest in real estate, you will have some goals. So these goals can also be tracked into their financial service cloud, and bank also can target your goals. So let's say he need to go to the college on 2028 August, and right now he has completed only 53%. So bank will reach out to him and tell that, hey, you have completed only 53%. Do you want 50% amount of loan for this one to help you to complete your goals? Also, it is helpful for the wealth management to track the goals and track the planning of a particular person, because they are going to handle the investment and portfolio of a particular person. So they should know the goals, what he has, and what are the progress of that particular goal. So these goals can be created by this related list, and you can click on the new and you can create the goal. A banker can update the goals from here. Just click on the edit and set the values. So this is how goals work in the financial service cloud and the benefit of it. The next feature is the referral. So let's say we have say that it's come with the sales cloud, right? So sales cloud will have some lead, okay? But in FSC, we called as a lead and referrals. We don't call as a lead. What is lead and referrals? So let's say I have one account. Okay, I have account. And if I am referring other person, in bank, normally we didn't get anything. Okay, because they are not able to track who refer whom. Okay, but if they are using the FSC, they will know that this person has referred the three accounts. Okay, and based on these three accounts, let's say they will provide the 5% incentive or bonus to this account, the person who has referred. So this is how they can make their customer happy and satisfied. Second thing is terms of sales representative of the bank. He can see the referral assigned to him on his dashboard and the summary of his all the referrals. This you don't have to create it. These are automatically created and you can see all the details here in the referrals. So this is how bank increase their growth. Financial institute can increase their growth by referrals. Another features comes is the record rollups. So we have a, let's say, master detail. Okay, in master detail we can create the rollup summary. But what if we want to create the rollup by lookup? We have to create a trigger, okay, or you have to create a flow. But in FSC you can create rollup by the lookups. You can create the record lookups. You can create record lookups by data load. Why? Because there are so many relationship happens in the background, and it is not possible to set all the metadata into master detail relationship. You should have a lookup to lookup relationship, and because of that they provide the record rollups for the lookups. So let's say I have 5 to 6 financial account, and if I want to see all the total data, I don't need to write a trigger or a flow for this. All the data will automatically calculated here as a rollup summary. So this is another features which provide called the record by lookups, where you can create a rollups using the lookups. Sorry, there's so many lookups in records is going on. The latest feature, or I can say another features of the FSC is the pre-built flows. So as I told you earlier, FSC comes with the 40 plus flows. So some of the flows like customer onboarding, like if you want to activate your credit card, if you want to deactivate your credit card, let's say if you want to claim for a policy, if you want to know about the policy, okay, if you want to address your, if you want to change your address, then all these flows are already available in the FSC. What you have to do, you have to just use this flow and clone it. After cloning it, you can make the changes, whatever changes you want according to process, and you can activate this one. These flows are part of managed package, so you can't change this flow. You have to create another version of this flow, or I can say just clone the another flow and utilize it. So this is what we have for this video. So thank you so much for watching this. Please do like, share, subscribe this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.